Hey there, so today's video is based on how to change the password strength of TeamViewer. So without a further ado, let's get started. So the default password here generated is in a standard format, which is again a 4-digit numerical value. So we have to change this. Let's go ahead and check if I have an update available of TeamViewer. Yes, I do have an update available. So let's check the version. Go to help, go to about TeamViewer, check the version. As you can see, I'm running a version which ends with the 558 version. I guess you guys are using the same right now. If not, go ahead and update it. So let's go and change the password. Go to extra options. Within that, go to security. Change the password strength here. So the top two options here for the people who do not want a random password generated, you can give your own password. So the password strength here are in standard, secure, very secure format. Standard is something which we saw earlier. So secure is in 6-digit character. Click OK. Again a random password is generated. Get back to security. Change it to the second secure option possible. So here you have a 8-digit character. Go ahead and check. This is quite secure, but still I'm not satisfied with this, correct? So we have to get back to extras, options, secure, the security part of it. I can choose the last option, very secure. So here is something which is very much secure and very much reliable also. It has a special character indulged in it. So now for the people who do not want a random password generated, you can get back to the options of security. Make sure you give the possible security available, but before that just disable this option for random passwords and then get back to the password and confirm password and click OK. This is for people who do not want random passwords. So this is the only way you can securely use TeamViewer these days. So go ahead and update your TeamViewer right away if you're finding an update. It's always better to update the software for better usage. So thank you for watching. For more such videos, just subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.